Goikera ime kaunti ya Kisii ase omuliki bw'ekisemi gosensemo ekisemi ime diocese ya Kisii nere Christopher Osinde niganyareko bagakoboria babwatani abe sector ekisemi ime kaunti ya Kisii banyareko bakobwatira na koenekia buna banyareko bagosira kisemi ase kisukuru bagokwana ime ya ekanisa gosensemo ya St Vincent yegotoka obagatakatibwa omochobo songo asomo yegonyarako bagokoreta ama babwatani bekisemi nigo Osinde boiganyareko bagakoboria baibuli ngamba bwatiri bagali nene liyo koene kiabuna banyareko bagosira na kubwaterana amona bali muna bana babo linde banyareko bakwene kia anene kerengo gekisemi me county ya Kisii yanyareko bagekoimoka igoro anene igoro yokorobekana okogenderete ime yense ya Kenya nigo Christopher Osinde boigo anyareko bagotugutera ale chiburaburu echigo chichio yarrakana anene chinga kichokorobekana echo cyanyareko bachigo salia omoroberi bwa masomo na anene koirera anene chiskuru chinyinge chianyarakoba chigosie komosaki oito bwa mangana Brighton makori amuna mangemono kobwatakana no kurobekana ogugwenekiwa sense ya Kenya abarai na babwatani ni bagendete gwesoki na kuboruna okurobekana ngotakire gokorwa sinjira y'umuroberio Christopher Osinde nomuriki ebwekisemi sensemeri ya Kisii Catholic Diocese.
A constitution says very clearly it allows picketing, demonstrations. It's allowed. But the question is, and that's what surprises me, when you want people to go to demonstrate, I'm coming from my home to the office, or I'm traveling at 5, I'm going out to another diocese, and at 5 a.m. I'm finding people panning tires on the road with roadblocks. Is that a demonstration?
Boigo sindeni ganyariga kubori bali bakuroberio kurobekana kwene kiunango bwate baleri chiko.
We are supposed to have good manners. We are supposed to employ common sense when we want to demonstrate. Demonstration is actually a right in the constitution. But when you want people to demonstrate, those organizers should be in front, they should be there telling the people to demonstrate peacefully.
Boikoni gateruna banta batakana bago chandeka sokorobekano uko korengane ni bayaboni gegosira.
Very rich people have their properties as a keyword. Very rich people have their children, politicians have their children learning in schools, or some outside the country, some in international schools. I've never seen a politician with his wife and his children demonstrating. I have never, from any of the political divide, I have never seen any who actually demonstrates with his children and his family. It is people's children who are actually being used.
To avoid
the violence that there is, to avoid the tension that is in the country, let us follow the law.
Anekera batware dege karo yokorire gisemi asizikuru che Catholic ya se county ya Kisii na Nyamira.
We appreciate the good work that our teachers are doing in our schools, and we hope that the government will continue to support them in all ways so that they are able to for the formation of our learners and also for academic success.
Boigoni gobaborire abwatani ahobe gisemi wesoki na usira gisemi asorongo Gusii.
And as a church and as a diocese, if I may talk for my diocese, we feel that stakeholders, especially the parents, should be allowed to come on board to come and assist our schools, because as you are all aware, the economic situation of this country may not support the learning situation in our country. More so, the CPC curriculum. And when we talk of CPC, people think that we are against the CPC. Let me put it very clear that the CPC curriculum is one of the best curriculums ever this country has designed. But we must accept that there are challenges that are facing the CPC curriculum. One is it is an expensive curriculum for a country that is economically at the level where we are. We need human power, we need facilities, we need equipment, and therefore I think previously the former government did not prepare well for the CPC's transition. As a diocese, we would request if the government can bring parents on board. Parents have been made docile, some parents have been made spectators in the learning of their learners. Let the parents be brought on board, so that this system of saying, oh, don't send students away out of school, which is okay, but again, it makes the parents very docile. It makes them inactive. It tells them after all, the government says no child should be sent for school fees. You can see the negative implication it has on the parents. We want the church, we want the government to come and bring the parents on board.
Ndizi TV, Brighton Makori.